Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to unlink Google Play from eFootball. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Gmail application here. Once you are here, you would just simply select your profile that you are using into your eFootball top right corner and make sure to select manage your Google account over here. Now, once you are here on this tab, you will just simply scroll down, guys, until you see over here data and privacy. Tap on that. And now over here, you will just simply scroll down again until you see over here third-party apps and services. So go ahead and tap on this, and you should be able to see all of the list of application that is connected into your account. So from here, you could just simply scroll down and try to find the eFootball. So guys, for example, the eFootball will be this one. So from here, once you have selected the eFootball that is linked into your account, as you can see, if we scroll down below, we should have an option, delete all connections to your eFootball, and you can just simply select confirm. So guys, I just use all trails as an example, but it will be just the same process if you do this. And as you can see, we are no longer connected with that application. And pretty much that's how you unlink it from your Google Play. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.